Hey there, I want to do a quick insight review of the SportPet plastic kennel. This is the small size kennel, so it's the smallest one with no wheels, but it is really good. I love the wire door here, and it has these two little latches that you squeeze in, and that will open the door. It also comes with these two bowls or cups here for water or food. I added this blanket because it does not come with any padding on the floor, and I definitely wanted him to be comfortable when he's inside. So it closes up really nicely. It's a really nice hard plastic, durable. It also has these little lock tabs here on the side that you can slide open and unlock. It also comes with some hardware as well to screw it in, but if you don't have that and you just unlock it all the way around, you would need to unlock the back and on the other side. You could actually take the top off really easily for storage, which I usually do. But it's a great kennel. I like the ventilation on it. I like that it's not very heavy, but it is a really nice, solid, well-made, durable kennel. It's also easy to move around. It has a great handle here, and it's just been a great kennel. Can't really say anything negative about it. I definitely like it, so definitely check it out.